coming on stage is Saugus High School Marching Band. This is their first time attending the Sounds of Conejo here at Thousand Oaks High School. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get back to a few band grants. We're going to start out with from Moore Park High School to Calvin. Have a great season. I love you, Mom. And another one from Royal High School. Hey, Bailey. Knew you could do it. Royal High School. Sam Levinson, you've got this, Bam Bam. So proud of you, Mom and Dad.
One more bandgram from Thousand Oaks to Sean Harbor. Can I ask you?
In November, and we said, my goodness, we have to come back and see all of you wonderful folks to give you a show. So as they're getting set up, just a couple of notes about what we're doing out here. I was driving in the car after marching band season last year, and I said, my goodness, I need to find a show that I enjoy listening to, because you spend so much time doing it. And as I was listening in the car, Alicia Keys' Girl on Fire came on, and there's no better musician than Alicia Keys, and I said, well, that's gotta be a show. So what you'll hear tonight is the music of Philip Glass, The Canyon, as well as Alicia Keys' Girl on Fire, and then a percussion break written by our assistant director, Mr. Bob Grigas, all around the idea of fire. Although we don't have the eye candy out there yet, you can see it in the drill. As we spread the spark around and we get more movement and things, more people catch on fire. It's a great time. So please enjoy Missy Stanley and Michelle Debo performing Saugus High School's Burn.
Richmond, from Santa Cruz, California.